Let's create a new file in Flash and set that FLA file's document properties. So I'll click to create a new file, ActionScript 3.0. And for the most part, you're going to be choosing new Flash file, ActionScript 3.0, unless you have specific instructions for the project you're working on to use a different version of ActionScript. So I'll click ActionScript 3.0, and then in the Properties panel, I'll go to the Properties section, and in the Size area, I'll click Edit. Here in the Document Settings window, we can adjust the settings for our FLA file. So you can change the stage size. For example, you can change it to 800 by 600. You can change your ruler units. You can adjust the 3D perspective if you want. That's something we're going to cover later on. You can match the default settings in Flash, or you can match your printer settings. We'll just leave default set. You can choose a background color using a color picker window. I'm just going to use white. And then you can set the frame rate, which controls the speed of the playback of your animations. If you want to keep your settings as the default every time you create a new document in Flash, you can click Make Default. I'm not going to do that right now. I'll just click OK to adjust this file. Note that you can also create a new FLA file by choosing File, New. So once you've created an FLA file and set your document properties, you're ready to start adding artwork into your application.